My favorite time of night is washing my face. And today I'm going to use my oil cleanser and my snow enzyme cleanser. Double cleansing is so important in Korean skincare. It really, really removes the gunk from your face. So I'm going to start off with this gentle oil cleanser. And it is amazing for breaking down all the impurities on your face. It is great for removing mascara, SPF, sweat, especially in the summertime, sweat from your face. It helps clean your pores, and you really want to give that a good cleaning. You want to be rushed about it. You want to really rub it in, especially around the nose. I have an oily T-zone. So oil attracts oil. A lot of times we think, okay, I can't use an oil cleanser. If I got oily skin, I cannot use oil cleanser. But actually the oil attracts oil. So it's going to take that excess oil off your skin. It's not going to strip it though. And your skin will just feel so, so clean. And now we're going to emulsify. We're going to take a little bit of water, and that just turns the oil into a cream. And it's so easy to remove. So it gets rid of that oily feeling that you have on your skin and completely turns it into like a milky cleanser. We're gonna wash. Take a wet cloth and just wipe that off. Now let's go into the snow enzyme cleanser. This is a gentle exfoliator, but it also cleans the pores. So we're going to give, this is a huge tube. This will last you like 6 months. You use it once a day. Unless you're really oily, you can use it in the morning as well. But that's all you need. And it turns into this foam-like consistency. And you will feel like Mrs. Doubtfire when you use this, almost like shaving cream. And you can rub it in. I always do my neck too. I have some hyperpigmentation on here, so I like to use that because it helps. Exfoliation will help slough off that dead skin. It helps rejuvenate the skin. And it's so gentle. Really cleans your pores. It's a very gentle exfoliator. Great for sensitive skin. Men love this as well for shaving. You can rub it until it blends away, or when it was foamy, you could just leave it on and you'll feel like a little tingling. It's like a little bubbles, like little bubbles are popping, and that's just really deep cleaning your skin. Now we're going to emulsify again. So take your water, and we'll turn it back into that creamy consistency. Do your neck, do your chest, especially if you have an oily chest. Really bring that down. Really your face ends, but right here. So, you know, if you want to put on something like a V-neck or something like that, you can get all that and clean it all. Okay, now we can go in and wipe it off. And there we have our double cleansing done. Quick, easy. And the double cleansing will prep your skin for your other products to absorb. Really, really good. Just think, if you're doing one cleansing, you don't get everything off your face. There's still stuff sitting in your pores. There's still stuff sitting in your face. So all your other products are not going to sink in the way that they should and then work the way that they should. So nice and clean. Now let's add some moisture and some anti-aging. One of my 2 favorite products for sensitive skin is my oil mist and my calming gel. I have dry, sensitive skin, very reactive to touch, very reactive to wiping it. I always have a little bit of redness when I'm doing my skincare because my skin is very, very sensitive. And these 2 products are a godsend for anyone with redness, rosacea, hyperpigmentation, acne, scars, any sort of inflammation on your face. These are anti-inflammatory products, so they work wonders on soothing the skin. So this is a oil. It's called a biophase. So there's oil on top, and underneath is our Lava Energy Water, which is full of vitamins, minerals, and very, very amazing for helping with redness, for soothing any inflammation. Give that a good shake. You want to mix the oil and the water together. The mist is very fine, so I like to give it a good spritz. And I just like put this on when my face is still damp from washing off my Snow Enzyme Cleanser, so that those products can really sink into the skin. And then I go right into my calming gel. Now this has hyaluronic acid in it, 8-layer hyaluronic acid, so it sinks deep into the skin. You need very little. The products are huge sizes and they last, like, that's all I need. That's even too much. They last 3, 4, 5, 6 months. I use this every night and every morning. I do go through this. My two-phase oil mist, I use one of these probably every 6 weeks because I use a lot of it. It's great for using underneath your makeup. If you need a little extra hydration during the day, if you're looking for an extra little glow before you go out at night, it gives a beautiful glow. So the calming gel also helps with redness, helps with inflammation. It has 24 karat gold, so it's going to help those products absorb deeper into the skin. Hyaluronic acid is going to plump up fine lines and wrinkles. It's going to give really nice light hydration. Beautiful for oily skin. Beautiful if you have as a primer underneath your makeup. In the summertime, it's really warm. You just want something light. The calming gel is gorgeous. Sinks right in, and it's gone already. It's stunning on your skin. So those are my two favorite for sensitive skin. Well, now let's go into the anti-aging products. Now we're getting into our 𝗦𝗧𝗘𝗣, our booster and our serum combo. These come together in one package. They are meant to be used together, so they are sold together in a bundle. So this is your booster and this is your serum, and we do it in a 3-step process. So we start with a booster, and you just spritz that over your face. Now the new mister has a very fine spray, so don't be shy with it. I always like to add a little extra on my chest. My chest is aging just as much as my face. Always get the neck area. So the new booster and serum have amazing upgrades. They have NMNs and exosomes, and those are just going to supercharge your skin to rejuvenate itself. It's going to heal and repair. It's going to help tighten the skin. It's going to help lighten the skin, brighten the skin, add hydration, glow, help with lifting, radiance, and it is beautiful. It actually sinks deeper into the skin. The new products, the exosomes are like little vehicles, and it just delivers the products deeper into the skin so they can work on a cellular level. No other products do that. Most of the things that you buy at the drugstore, they have water. These are not water. This is Lava Energy Water full of vitamins, minerals, plus those extra added anti-aging ingredients. Most of the products you buy at the drugstore, they have distilled water, and it just sits on the surface and does surface hydration. The beautiful thing with RIMAN is that it delivers to a cellular level. And what I mean by that is that it goes deep into the layers of your skin to help plump it up and help heal from within. It's repairing your skin. And I don't know about you, but nothing I've ever got bought before has repaired my skin. You know, I might have got some glow, I might have got a little bit of hydration from it, but then in the morning, because your face feels so dry. So now I just went into the serum. I didn't show you that. So you just twist it. You twist it, it pops up, and then you do. And then there's one full stopper that I use every night. Now I like to put on my lips. Make sure I get, this is your eye cream too, ladies. It helps with lifting, it helps with firming, it helps with plumping up fine lines and wrinkles. Don't forget your neck. Don't forget your chest. I got some wrapped around my fingers here. Always get those areas. And I have, anywhere that I have troublesome areas, like crow's feet, 11s, forehead lines, my marionettes, or my lips, I give a little extra there. And you can see the glow on my skin already. Like it's unlike anything you'll ever try. And these are the only products in the world that you will find these ingredients. And that's what makes RIMAN so remarkable and so unique, is that it is the one and only company that has these ingredients. And you will see Centella asiatica, which is tiger grass. You will see that in a lot of products. We have our own patented tiger grass that the company has a patent on. They've made it themselves. They've taken the original and they've made it bigger and better with more anti-aging products. So when I say it is one and done, it is one and done. Once you start using this, you will never go back to anything else. And they're always updating and improving and adding to things. And it's been phenomenal for my 58-year-old skin. I've seen huge differences. So now we did the booster, we did the serum. Now let's go back into the booster again. So we're going to spritz a little bit down my chest. And now we're going to let that dry in. Usually when I do this area, I let it sink in for a good, I go brush my teeth, check my phone, because I always have my phone. And then you just let that dry for like a couple of minutes. And a lot of people are like, well, I don't like all the steps. If you want your skin to improve, you can do a few steps and you'll see some results. But if you want to really see all the results, I would recommend a ritual. You can slowly ease your way into it. And if some people can't use certain products because they're rosacea or redness or oily skin, but most ladies can use a full routine. And it's the double cleansing, a serum, a booster, and a cream. And that will get you amazing results. You have 6 minutes for yourself at nighttime, ladies. And that's all it takes. Once you get in there, you're not talking, you're not chatting. You get in there, you do your skincare, and when you go to bed, your skin is healing, it's rejuvenating, it's getting rid of age spots, it's getting rid of hyperpigmentation, it's firming the skin, it's getting rid of sun damage, and it really, really works. So this is my booster. Let that rub that in. Now, that's dried down. And last, we're going to go into our cream. And the cream has also been updated with 𝗥𝗜𝗧𝗨𝗣 and carnosine. I had to read those ones. I can't remember those ones. And they are great for redness and discoloration. So again, it helps with any inflammation on the skin. It helps deep hydration, improves your skin tone, your firmness, and it helps with fast absorbing, and it's also hyperallergenic for anyone that's concerned with that. So it comes with a little scoop. You just take a little bit. You don't need much. Just a couple of, usually some people do 1, 2, 3 drops. I do a little extra at night. Underneath your eyes, also your eye cream on top of your eyes. It will help firm the eyelids. Now, if you have a hooded eye, it can help firm a little bit. It's not going to get rid of it completely, ladies, but it will help with firming the skin, tightening the skin. Bring it down on your chest again. And there we have a full ritual. And we call them rituals because it is self-care for yourself. It's not a routine. It's not something that we're going to go, oh, I got to do my skincare again tonight. It's a ritual. You learn to love yourself, take care of your skin. It's the only skin you have. And we have not been kind to our skin as Western medicine, as teenagers, before SPF was even thought of. So now it's time to repair all the damage that we've done to it. And it really does amazing things. I've noticed a difference in the texture. And texture is hard to show on camera. But like pores, you can't get rid of pores, but you see them because they're clogged, but it will unclog the pores, so then your pores are not so noticeable. But you can't shrink pores. You're not going to get rid of pores. They'll still be there, but they won't be clogged. They'll be cleaned out, so then they don't look so noticeable. It helps with the glow, and you see the glow already. It helps with hyperpigmentation. It helps with tightening up fine lines and wrinkles. It helps with plumping fine lines and wrinkles. It helps with lift my eyelids right here. They have lifted my lip lines. They have helped immensely. And that was my biggest thing, was my lip lines. But yeah, it's phenomenal. And then the last thing we're going to go into is the balm stick. Everybody needs a balm. This is the multi-stick balm. It's your eye cream. It's great for plumping up fine lines and wrinkles and helping those not be so noticeable. It's great as a lip balm outside the lip line. It will help bring back your border of your lips. It has for me anyways. I've noticed that some days it looks like I have like lip filler up here. I don't have lip filler, but it does look like that I have a little bit of lip filler here because my border of my lip has come back. And it's just from healing and repairing my skin. Also do my marionettes. I've had lines here. Those have gone or almost gone. They're very, very light now. You can do 11s. You can do your forehead. You can even do down here. If you have any dry patches on your skin, there's some ladies that have some dry patches, couldn't get rid of them. They've used the products for like a week and they're gone because it deeply hydrates the skin. Use it underneath your makeup to prevent creasing up here. It just keeps everything nice and hydrated and helps with pumping everything up, making everything look nice and glowy and healthy. And this is the Balm Stick. So that's my full routine. If anybody has any questions, be sure to reach out. K-Beauty is where it's at. Real results for real women who are struggling with skincare concerns. I know as we get older, it's not always easy to look in the mirror every day and see your skin is like, okay, I look older today. I feel older today. I don't feel good about my skin. And I was there. And if you want to see some of my before and afters, let me know. I have some with my makeup on, and I can't believe how dry my skin was, and I didn't realize it until I started using RIMAN. And then it's like, okay, my skin is not dry anymore, and I love my skin. So anyways, thanks, ladies. Anybody has any questions, let me know. I'm off to grab a glass of water, and good night.